First, we removed the rubber grommets that helped to stop water from getting into the trunk area. Next, it was time to fit the wing support structure on the trunk. Then to attach the carbon fiber wing blade to the other wing strut. We then attach the wing strut to the trunk with two 10mm bolts. We also add the carbon fiber end plates and tighten the Allen key bolts. Next up is to paint the wing struts to the color of the car. Stay tuned for more and consider subscribing if you like these type of videos. Thanks for watching.